Hi everyone, so welcome back to another video. In this video, we will explore a great AI extension that available in VS Code that will not only enhance your coding powers but also revolutionize the way you learn. So get ready to code smarter, faster and better than ever before. So let's check this out. There is a AI extension called BLACKBOX in the VS Code. So go to your extension, then search BLACKBOX. Yeah, I already installed that one, so here you can actually install. Okay, once you install, you can see an extra tab is open over here, black box, and also on the right bottom corner as well. Okay, basically let me go through this first. So basically what are the things that it will do? It will help you to add a comment, add a chat, and also make a common files. Okay, and there are bunch of things are there. Okay, I am actually going through only few things that will help you most basically. Okay, so let me quickly create a Java file over here, main.java. Okay, so public static void main. Okay, so what I can do, you can see there is already some suggestions are coming up. It is coming from black box only. Okay, so the better way to use black box is you can comment whatever the thing you wanted. So let me comment at two numbers. Okay, so I did that one. I go to the next line. You can see it is already suggesting what are the thing you wanted to type. Okay, either you can use a tab. Okay, if you use the tab, it will um, the suggestion will come into your workspace. Okay, so let me go to the next line. It will suggest another thing, and you can use the controls and arrow key for the single element only. If you want only single element, you can use control and arrow key. Okay, so right now you can see, let me go to the next line, what it will do. Let me again type tab. You can see it is a pretty neat code, right? So it will save a lot of time if you're working with a bigger project and there are repeated codes are there. It will, all things will take care of this uh, black box itself. Okay, you just need to type tab only. Okay, if you want, but you need to aware of the code. Okay, so and also whatever the thing you wanted, you need to change accordingly. So right now it is showing, so let me run this code as well. Yeah, it is actually simply showing addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Okay, it is pretty neat. Okay, so what are the other way you can use black box? You can see on the right bottom there is a shortcut for BLACKBOX AI code chat. If you click on this, it will open up a window. Okay, so if you want some code, you can simply type over here and you can actually take this include code as well. So I want a code, you can simply type in English. Okay, whatever the thing you wanted. So I want a code in Java, so let me type write code in Java to check it's a prime number or not. Okay, you don't want to go to ChatGPT or anything else, you can simply click over here. So you can see it is actually generating code in a proper manner. It is actually adding all the command we wanted, everything, right? Yeah, it is also explaining as well. If you want, if you have any follow-up question, you can ask from here itself. Okay, you don't want to get into chat gpt or anything, and if you want, you can simply copy this code. So let me paste it over here. So yeah, it is actually pasted. Let me close this. Let me go through this code as well. Okay, what are the thing it is doing? It is get a number. Okay, and it is a flag value is prime is defined as a true, and it is whether if it is less than or equal to 1, it is simply saying it is false. Okay, so you already know the logic of finding a prime number, checking whether it is a prime or not. Okay, so you can go through it, you must go through it because there will be some mistakes, but you know it will save you a lot of time, right? So let me run this code as well. Let me make sure it is correct or not. You can see 13 is a prime number, so let me give 14 in order to check. Okay, so you can see 14 is not a prime number. What a nice way to represent all those things, right? So if you write, we normally we didn't write this many comments, right? So it is a nice way to use. And what else we can do? Let me open another project. Okay, yeah, here is a group chat application project. Okay, that I have done. Okay, so let me assume it is a project that I copied from someone else. Okay, so I want to go through this project. I want to understand what are the thing he has written and what all those things. Okay, so what I can do, if I didn't understand what is this, okay, I don't know actually what is this. So what I can do, you can select all those things and you can right click and you can black box explain code. If you click on this, what black box will do, it will get your code and it will properly explain what are the thing they have written on that. It is a easy way. Might be you, a lot of time we were get stuck, right? Somewhere else is uh, wrote this code, so we don't know what happening over there, so we couldn't follow that code. Okay, at that point of time what we can do, you can simply select and ask. So what it is saying, this code is a part of larger Node.js application chat utilize SQL ORM object relational mapping for PostgreSQL. First, import the SQLized object from util database. It is simply saying everything step by step. So if you have more questions, so how to connect to database using SQLized, how to create model using SQLized, how to create a relationship between models using SQLized. These all things can be asked from here itself, and if you want you will get sample code. If you want you can copy to your workspace, all the things you can do. Okay, so what else, this is the one thing, right? So here as well you can see there is a shortcut for black box. If you click on that bit, it will open up black box AI code chat. Actually you can see all the history. Okay, if you click on the get started, it will show you what are the all things you can do. Okay, that's the one more thing I want to show you. Okay, let me change some code here. Okay, let me add some comment. For that you can simply and click enter. It will, the black box will suggest you what are the comment you wanted to add. So let me type. Okay, so I changed my file little bit. Okay, so what I can do later, I can select this one and you can go to your source control repository section where you can see there is a black box submit over there. Okay, so this is my jet application, this where change made. So I let me click on that one. Okay, so it will actually automatically create the commit message as well. Okay, you don't want to do anything, you just need to click on this. So added import for the routes model and sequelize based on the portion we selected, it will generate a commit. Okay, if you want you can use. Okay, otherwise can you can leave that as well. Okay, so uh, yeah, so I don't want to add it, so it is, I just need a simple message. So let me commit this as well. So these are the basic things you can do with the AI extension that we have discussed today. There is much more things are there, you can try yourself. Okay, it will save you a lot of time and it will make sure your code is clean, and also it will help you to learn a lot of things even though you don't have any idea about that. Okay, so you can use all these features freely, completely freely. Okay, so see you in the next video.